everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sydney and today I'm showing you guys hello. Today I'm showing you guys how, oh my gosh. Okay, can you like go now? And today I'm showing you guys how I put together this boho picnic styled dinner party that I am hosting tonight for my friend's bachelorette party. So she said she didn't want to go out and things like that, especially COVID, we can't really do anything anyways, but that's just not the type of person she is. She doesn't want to go out. So we decided to do this in-home sleepover dinner party and I'm so excited. This is kind of what I put together. She has no idea. This is what I've decided to do for it, so I can't wait for her to see it. She's like the boho queen, so she's gonna love this so much. I'm so excited. So I want to show you guys how I put it together. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. So every boho party needs string lights. These are just some Christmas lights from Walmart. And then as you can see, my tables do not match, but they are the same size. So I just got this boho runner that I'm putting right down the middle. And then also I have these placemats that are going to kind of fill in the gaps of the tables that don't match. So it really, you can't tell at all. People also use those like wooden pallets too that you could use, but I just thought this was easier for me. The key here is pampas grass. I did not buy any of this. This is all just nature that I found. So I'm setting that on the table as well as some candles. These napkins are from Target and I'm tying them up into a knot. And then I am going to put this boho little detail kind of in that fold there. And I don't really know what that does. It's supposed to go around the napkin, but it did not stretch, so I'm just gonna kind of put it there. And I think it still looks cute and adds a little bit of detail. Next is for the blankets. So I'm laying down some random tan colored blankets as well as some pillows just to give that cozy vibe. And yeah, I'm doing it with this side too. So the coolest part about all this is I did not spend any money. This is all my own home decor. So I think that's really cool and just a fun way to put this together. So here is the final product. Alright everyone, that is everything for the video. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want more videos like this, or you like anything that has to do with lifestyle or faith or anything at all, make sure to follow this channel because I will be posting so much more on this channel about things like that. So thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!